This is a good thing about this bike is that you can still pedal it. Alright guys, here's the first ride. It's still not working that good. I don't know what's going on. I have to give it a little bit of gas. I think it's something wrong with the throttle and the way I have it set up right here. Alright, here we go. Oh my goodness. God, please protect me. This thing feels so fast. I'm gonna go slow because it's the first ride. This thing feels so good, guys. Literally like a motorcycle. You gotta be careful with the clutch. It's a little bit close to my leg. That's the exhaust that, oh my god, it's popping. That exhaust is just the regular one that I cut to make it fit. Oh man, this is so cool. Look at that, there's another mini bike. I should have raised them. I have to give it a gas so it doesn't die. Oh, it died. I have to turn it on while going. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh man. Woo! Let's go. I made this thing myself. I made this myself, guys. This is so cool. Woo! This is so... Oh my god. Guys, this thing it started going by itself. Okay, I gotta fix something here. I think there's something with this throttle, man. Oh man, this is so cool. It's so fast. Everything else seems to be working right though. I just need better brakes and see what's going on with the throttle and stuff. Cause it's scary. It was kind of going, and my brakes are not that good. Man. Give it another try. Okay, oh, the kill switch.